This is a block I've been working on stripping down over the past year. I have some footage of it, but stupid GoPro batteries died after a trip, and I didn't really want to wait till the new batteries came to finish recording it, so there's some footage. Now, in terms of parts that I've managed to collect and salvage, I'm not actually using much off the block other than the timing cover. What do I have here? Yeah, I'm not using this old main seal setup. I have a new billet one. Pretty nice, fancy looking. Because why not? It's easier to seal up with a little, I don't know what that's called, but instead of using RTV, it uses like a little silicone gasket. It's a lot easier to work with. It's an ODST helmet that's not included with the build, and no, I'm not dropping in on new Mombasa, so stop asking. What else do I have? Because I'm not using the original heads, the B heads, because the block's off of a Lincoln Mark 8 from 1998, and the heads that I'm using are C heads, which started in 2000 and no, they didn't start in 2001. 99, and yeah, they're just better heads overall, and they use a different sort of, instead of coil, what the fuck am I saying? They use coil packs instead of the older coil-on packs, I think that's what it's called. Anyways, got an oil pan, windage tray. Went with a bigger oil pan just for safety reasons. I don't want to be starving my engine with oil for the occasional track day and stuff. I have some high flow cats, which I haven't really decided if I'm using, probably not. And then I have some 2.5-inch exhaust cutouts, because why not? Going side pipes on this, kind of like the Cobra R. What else? Have a head cooling mod from MMR. Basically just crosses over from the back on the Mustang heads. Because I think cylinder 8 gets hot because it's kind of the last one to get the coolant, so this kind of changes the coolant flow, so it kind of keeps more consistent temps. It's a boiler muffler. There's a second one somewhere around here over there. Then I have cans. These aren't actually comp cans. These are just takeoffs of an 03 Cobra. I have some ARP stuff for the main caps, and then I have ordered myself some fancy billet main caps from Cobra Engineering, and then the jack screws, which are, they don't make these anymore, so you're kind of screwed if you lose them, so I'm just keeping them in there. And yeah, that's it for the build, I think, for now. It's gonna get a lot more expensive soon enough. Thank you for watching. Now, the reason why I'm swapping out the block is this is honestly just a better block. It's a 4.6 an aluminum block made by Texib, which is a company that also used to make blocks for Ferrari. I think they do stuff for Stellantis or Chrysler now. And the main benefits of this over the 2-valve 4.6 is, obviously it's aluminum, so it's going to be lighter, but it's also 4-bolt mains, and then it also has side bolts as well, if you can see that. I don't know if you can. And yeah, the main goal is to make like 500 horsepower, I think, but it's going to get expensive. Well, it already is expensive, so I shouldn't be saying that. Uh-oh. Fuel.
Yeet.